Hey guys, this is Chris from Money Peach, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use this online spreadsheet. So the first thing you need to do is you need to recognize what is your income. So I want you to go over here into the income category, and I want you to enter in what is your take-home pay, what actually hits your checking account, the money that you're actually going to have to spend. So let's say for in this example, we're going to say it's $4,500. All right, so that's going to change some numbers around inside the spreadsheet. That's the nice thing about a spreadsheet is it does everything for you. So now we're going to go over here to the orange section. This orange section here represents the bills that are going to be the exact same month in and month out. So really, you only need to do this one time, and then from here on out, it's the same month in and month out. So let's look at our mortgage. Our mortgage, let's say in this example, it's $1,300. And let's say that our utilities are $225, and let's say that our phone bill is $160, and then we can go cable is $150, and so on. So as you see, as I go through here, the numbers are automatically changing inside our spreadsheet. Again, that's the convenience of using it. So up here where it says bills, this adds up everything that was in our orange category here for us. So what it's saying here is we have $4,500 coming in. We're spending $2,766 on bills, which leaves us with a little over $1,700 available for everything afterwards. This is the stuff that kind of goes up and down. This is where we're actually going to do the actual budgeting, the money that kind of we can change around numbers and stuff to get to a zero. So we are going to start doing a zero-based budget. So what this means is, see this number right here? I want this number to equal zero. And how I do this is I start spending all the money in this spreadsheet before the month actually starts. So let's go down here to groceries. Let's say that our family, we're going to spend $600 on groceries this month. Okay, so now we only have $1,134 left for the rest of the month. Okay, fuel, we're going to think it's $300. Entertainment, we're going to say $150. Savings, we'll say $250. Clothing, we'll say $100. Health, we'll say $200. Home expenses, $150. And we get through there and we notice, okay, we're done budgeting. But if you look up here, I just went over $16. That means we overspent $16 for the month. We over budgeted. So this is where we go back and we say, okay, where can we pull a little bit of money out of? All right, you know what we're going to do is we're going to pull out $16 here out of entertainment. So instead of $150, let's use $134. And look at that. We just zeroed out our budget. This is how easy it is to set your budget up. Now, when the month starts, the first of the month starts, we're actually going to be following this budget, following our roadmap for our money. We'll go down here and let's say that I get groceries. So if I get groceries and I spend $125, I just punch it in there. Let's say I get fuel and my fuel costs were $49.17. Punch it in right there. Now let's say I go back and I get groceries a week later. Now what I have to do is I have to put an equal sign up here so the spreadsheet knows that you're supposed to add here. So I put equals in here, and then the next time I get something from the grocery store, it costs me $182.16. And right there, it adds it for us. So as we're adding money into our budget, the balance over here starts to decrease. So check this out. If I spend $150 or $120 in entertainment, watch what happens over here. Automatically goes down. So as you can see, as you're punching money in your budget, it just does this for you. All right, guys, you have it now. You're ready to do. You're ready to rock. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Chris at moneypeach.com. Take care, guys.